one of the most beautiful places I've ever been, by far. This is Iceland. I don't believe there's enough words in existence to fully describe just how special this place is, just how breathtaking and powerful, emotionally and spiritually. Tasty. This is Waterfall, an 8-kilometre long and 1 to 2 kilometre wide outlet glacier of the larger Waterfall ice cap. Situated near the village of Vik, this glacier has receded dramatically, especially since the 1940s, and the impact of this could prove catastrophic in the coming years as climate change issues intensify and those things which were open to the elements will fall. Unreal. If you visit, the summer offers longer daylight hours, warmer temperatures and more stable weather, whereas the winter, although ideal for visiting the blue ice caves, will require extra layering, especially in way of sturdy hiking boots, hats and gloves, and waterproofs. Making the ascent. Walking on ice. While you can walk to the glacier's edge for free, never venture onto the ice without a certified guide. Hidden crevasses and unstable ice make self-guided hiking extremely dangerous. So beautiful, this place. Glacier in the background there, but even if you're not looking at that and you're looking around, every single angle is art. It's a masterpiece. Bob Ross vibes. And that is just sensational. What a place. Beautiful. Rugged, open, solitude, but not loneliness. That's the important thing, I think. You just feel at one here, but you don't feel alone. One of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls, renowned for its immense power and frequent rainbows that manifest in the mist. The Skogafoss waterfall is located on the south coast and is about 60 metres high, and as I'm finding out, a steep staircase of 527 steps which lead to an observation platform offering panoramic views of the coastline certainly makes you work for it. About halfway to the viewpoint now. Good calorie burn. One more set of stairs to go. At the top. Finally. We've got to the top of this waterfall, and that view behind me is just absolutely sublime. What a great country, great place, absolutely stunning every turn. Also, it's not just the scenery, which is absolutely breathtaking. Also, it's because you get that dim light because there's less hours of daylight across the day. Adds another sense of atmosphere to the whole thing. Fantastic place to come just get away from the hustle and bustle, reflect, be inspired, especially to write, to paint, those kind of things. And every turn, this is absolutely beautiful. Every frame, every direction, it's a landscape of its own. Just about to leave this waterfall and head to another. It's supposed to be equally as impressive. And the next one, you actually can go underneath it at the bottom. That should be amazing. Wow, amazing.
thing when I saw this.
A sinister eruption, which is an eerie coincidence. It was in fact an eerie coincidence, thankfully. This effect is because in Iceland, greenhouses act as year-round agricultural hubs that allow the country to grow fresh produce and tropical plants in a subarctic climate. By leveraging the island's unique geology, these facilities serve three primary functions. 1. Sustainable food production. 2. Geothermal innovation. And 3. Tourism and gastronomy. In fact, farms like Freyamar, visitors can eat inside the greenhouse, and its famous menu includes items such as tomato soup, tomato-based beers, and even tomato ice cream. I find it fascinating how volcanic energy has been harnessed for sustainability.